Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to have some fun learning the first part of the English alphabet, from A to K. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the letter A. A is for apple. Can you see the apple? Can you say apple? Great job. Next up is B. B is for ball. Can you say ball? Well done. Now, let's move on to C. C is for cat. Can you meow like a cat? Let's hear it. Awesome. Here comes D. D is for dog. Can you bark like a dog? Fantastic. Let's not forget E. E is for elephant. Can you stomp like an elephant? Great effort. Now we have F. F is for fish. Can you swim like a fish? Keep it up. Moving on, G is for giraffe. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe? Perfect. H is next. H is for house. Can you say house? Wonderful. Here's I. I is for ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? Yum. Almost there. J is for juice. Can you pretend to drink juice? So refreshing. And last but not least, K. K is for kite. Can you imagine flying a kite? Let's go fly one. Thanks for learning the alphabets A to K with us today. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. What letter should we learn next? Let us know in the comments below. Bye for now.